Welcome back to Yahoo Finance Live. Let's now turn to the latest in politics from the Beltway to beyond. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen could leave the White House after the midterms. This according to Axios, as President Biden reportedly seeks to reshuffle his economic team. In a statement to Yahoo Finance, White House officials say they are planning for potential transitions, but the Treasury Secretary is not part of those plans. For more insight into this and other political moves, let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Jen Schonberger. A busy day in D.C., Jen.
Good morning, Akiko. That it is. It is a busy week in Washington as lawmakers are trying to scurry to wrap up before recess, before they head home, before the midterms. Just to bring viewers up to date, House Democratic leaders released text of a bill Tuesday night that would ban members of Congress and top government officials from owning or trading stocks. The bill, titled Combating Financial Conflicts of Interest and Government Act, would ban members of Congress, the president, vice president, Supreme Court justices, and other high-ranking government officials from owning or trading stocks as well as cryptocurrencies. It would also require officials to divest current holdings or put them in a blind trust, and increases penalties for violations. Now, when or if this bill will head to the floor of the House remains in question, given differences of opinions among the ranks of House Democratic leadership over parts of the bill, including the size of fines and whether that ban should apply to officials' family members. Now, the House has until Friday to vote on this when, as I mentioned, lawmakers are expected to break for recess ahead of the midterms. If, and that's a big if, this bill were to get a vote and actually pass, it is a non-starter in the Senate. So basically a messaging bill here. Now, separately in Washington, fears over whether Congress would fund the government and avert a government shutdown have been allayed now that Democratic Senator Joe Manchin, who was pushing to combine a measure to fast-track energy permits with a bill to fund the government, has agreed to drop that provision. This allows the Senate to move forward with that short-term government funding bill that would fund the government through December 16th and meet a deadline of Friday at midnight. No votes officially scheduled today yet, though the day is young, Akiko. But the thinking is that the Senate will aim to try to pass this on Thursday to kick it to the House by Friday in time to get this passed for the deadline. Akiko?
Yeah, only a limited time left there. And obviously a lot of these lawmakers looking ahead to the midterms already as well. Jen Schonberger, as always, appreciate the time.